Hi Naptime friends, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my new subscribers. I appreciate all of you so much. Today we're going to be doing resin art and I'm going to be using all Resin products. And I'm going to be using Pro Marine resin. And this is a demo. I will link a full tutorial down in the description below. And the difference is on the tutorial, I show you how to mix up resin, how to mix up your colors. I'll link the info below where you can get all this wonderful stuff down below in the description. And today we're working on a 20-inch MDF round. I prepped it by spray painting it and taping the back. I have Angel White, Supernova, Cherry Red, Nebula Violet, and Blushing Pink. And this actually was a tabletop that was pretty wobbly. Someone was getting rid of it, so I took the legs off and it had the 3 little holes right there, but I did tape the back, so I think we'll be okay with that. And we're going to be using Pro Marine resin. It is a 1:1 ratio, and I had already pre-mixed that up for 3 minutes. And I put about 3 ounces of each color. These are little tiny 3-ounce cups. So I just went in with a little bit of clear and then all of my Supernova, and I'm going to smooth that out with my fingertips. And I like to put a little bit of clear down just so my resin can glide easily. It's resin will only want to go where resin's been before, so it's easier if you just put a little bit of clear down, not a whole lot. You don't have to use a ton. So this is my Nebula Violet. I didn't really have a plan going in with this, but when I do resin art, I prefer to do thicker lines. I find that it's better for my overall outcome with my piece if I do thicker lines. And I just basically added the cherry red around the Nebula Violet. The cherry red next to the purple gave it a really great depth. It's really pretty, you'll see in the end. And I apologize for the lighting. I don't know what was going on. The first half of this video, the lighting's a little bit messed up, so I apologize for that. But it does get fixed here not too long when I add my second layer. So that was the blushing pink. I just went in with that. All of the Resin products are fantastic. I love this blushing pink. It's one of my all-time favorites. I've got all of this off of Laura's Art Corner and I will link her down below. She also has a YouTube channel, so I'll link her YouTube down below along with Suzana's. She's the creator of Resin. Now I'm just going in with my Nebula Violet and filling in the top section right here. I love this purple. It's really deep and sparkly. It's fantastic. So now I'm going in with my heat gun and I'm just popping any bubbles. You just want to kind of go evenly over your piece, pop any bubbles, get everything warmed up a little bit, and then you'll be able to move your resin around with your heat gun like I'm doing. And I was just blending out the colors, just kind of trying to remove any of the harsh lines that were there. And then if you kind of put your heat gun at an angle and tilt it, you can feather your colors out like I'm doing right here. And that gives you some really awesome effects. See what the blushing pink did over the cherry? So beautiful. Made some really awesome cells. Just by doing that, that was all I had done to it so far at that point. Now I'm going to go in with the Angel White, and this is like a beautiful white for lacing and cells. If you guys want to do that, this would be awesome for waves. I mean, you could make some fantastic waves with this stuff. It went perfect with this. This reminds me of like a Valentine's planet or something like that. I love pink and red and purple together, the combination. So now I'm just going in and moving the white around, kind of taking the blushing pink and moving that up over the white. So I'm just going to keep moving this around, and I will speed this up and put some music in the background so you guys don't get too bored. is now 24 hours later and I'm ready for my second layer. I'm going in with Promarine resin again with a thin little kind of clear coat, if you want to call it, but it wasn't even that much, maybe 2 ounces of resin, and I'm just smoothing it out with my fingertips. This is a 20-inch round, so it is pretty big. And I didn't prep the board at all. I didn't sand it or anything because I had just poured on it the day before. All I did was clean it off with some isopropyl alcohol, 91%, and a paper towel. Now I'm going in with my blushing pink, and for this layer I'm just going to be using the blushing pink, supernova, purple diamond, and angel white. And I'm going to link a video below that is basically a tutorial for resin pouring, and I show you how to mix up resin, how to mix up your colors, how much pigment and how much paste to put in your colors. I'll link that down below if you want to see that. This video I didn't put it in because I knew it was going to be longer because it was a 2-day process anyway. Now I'm going to go in with the supernova, and this is fantastic if you're looking for something that's sparkly and transparent. If you want to add lacing to your piece and you want to use the angel white, I would add clear or a very, very transparent pigment along with your angel white. It's easier to get lacing if you put down clear next to it or a transparent color. Like the supernova or even the purple diamond would work. Purple diamond's not as transparent. You can see it on the board there. It's pretty transparent, but it still gives you a nice purple and it gives you that sparkle as well. So it just depends on what type of look you're going for, but I would definitely recommend putting clear or some light colored pigment next to the angel white for your lacing. It just helps it lace a little bit easier. I love the angel white so much. It's so beautiful. And that was all I did to this piece. I'm going to let it sit for 24 hours and then show you guys what it looks like. I love this edge right here where the angel white started dripping. It's super cool. So here it is. It's 24 hours later and the sun came out for a little bit. Yay! So you guys can see the sparkle and the shimmer. It's so gorgeous. Look at that lacing on there. The cherry red is very, very deep and rich. If you're looking for a deep red, this is it. It's gorgeous. And the nebula violet's one of my all-time favorites. It's so beautiful. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I hope everybody's having a great day. And I will see you on Wednesday for another video.